Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make a super delicious, healthy Jello yogurt dessert using only 3 ingredients. You can find the full recipe in the link below. First, we need to prepare our sugar-free raspberry Jello. Add the Jello powder to hot boiling water and whisk until it's completely dissolved. Then, set it aside and let it cool slightly. In a separate bowl, mix whole milk plain Greek yogurt with condensed milk until smooth and well combined. I'm using whole milk plain Greek yogurt for a smoother and less sour taste, but you can also use Greek yogurt if you prefer. As you can see, the texture is thick and creamy. To prevent curdling, we'll first add a small amount of the yogurt mixture into the warm Jello and mix it well. Then transfer everything into a blender, add the rest of the yogurt mixture and blend until smooth and fully combined. Once the mixture is ready, pour it evenly into serving bowls. This recipe makes about 4 small portions. Gently tap the bowls on the surface to release any air bubbles and smooth the texture. Refrigerate for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight for the best texture and flavor. In a separate bowl, whip heavy cream with powdered sugar until thick and fluffy. Now our Jello yogurt dessert is ready. Top it with whipped cream and decorate with fresh strawberries if you like. Look how beautiful and creamy it is. Let's give it a taste. It's so smooth and delicious. Because we used whole milk plain Greek yogurt, it has no sour taste at all. And since it's sugar-free, it's not overly sweet either. I really love this dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.